welcome to my channel. My name is Carissa Granados and I hope everyone is doing well today. For our video, we are going to be tasting a variety of spicy chicken sandwiches. So let's get started. The first one I am going to try is the Wendys spicy chicken sandwich. They do have a variety of chicken sandwiches that are spicy with jalapenos and all types of fancy sandwiches. I'm actually going to do a separate video for that. However, I just got the regular spicy chicken sandwich just to compare to the other chicken sandwiches since all the restaurants are in competition right now. So let me see how good this one will taste. This got a kick to it. Now, I don't normally eat Wendys only because, not because I don't like them, but because their lines are always long in my town. The line will be exceeded all the way to the main road it's on, so I always zoom past that. I go to the drive-through with the less cars when I go to eat. This is spicy and this is actually real good. My mouth, I can feel the spicy. I'd probably rate this I don't know. I'm gonna give it a 3. I'm gonna give it a 3. This is actually, it does have a kick to it. It's pretty good. Let me stop because I got a lot more sandwiches to try. Y'all, Burger King got a spicy chicken sandwich. Let me show y'all. Look at this bun. Look at it. It comes with the lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise. I don't see no pickles, y'all. I love pickles. Let me show y'all a better version of the Wendys. I forgot. It has the tomato, lettuce, and mayonnaise. Just like the Burger King. So y'all, let's get to trying this one. I'll give it a 3. It's just like the Wendys. It got a kick to it. It is quite spicy. But it got a little tough. Like, I got a hard piece of chicken. It was hard for it to pull off. Let's move on to the next. I got the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich, y'all. Everybody used to go crazy over these when they first came out. I remember they were sold out when I tried to get one. A lot of people say they ain't as good as they were before. I've tried them when they first came out, when they got back in stock, and they were pretty straight. I liked it. Now this will be my second time eating this. It comes with the sauce. Ooh, look at that huge pickle. It's almost the size of the bun. Now I like that. Let me spread out the pickle. That way I could get a pickle with every bite. That sandwich thick. That chicken is thick. This is the best one so far. It tastes like their They're chicken tenders, you know? Mmm. And that pickle goes well with it. Now, I love pickles. If you don't like pickles, you can take it off. It don't affect the sandwich that bad. Now, as far as the spicy, I remember it being so much more spicier when I first ate it. When it came out. Let me try one more bite out of this one, because I feel like I didn't get the spice. But the spice is with the sauce, so maybe I didn't get enough sauce. Let me lick the sauce. That's what I just did. I licked it. Okay. I'll give it a 4. The sauce is spicier than the other 2 chicken sandwiches that I tasted. Like, if I eat this whole thing, my nose is going to be running. My eyes are going to be watering. And I know that for sure. So I'll give that one a 4 on the spice. Let's move on. Y'all, I got the Zyxby's signature spicy sandwich. I ain't gonna lie, this one is good. I tasted this one before, not right when it came out, but maybe like 2 weeks ago, and it was amazing. But I was also really hungry. You ever had those days where like you super hungry and just everything tastes good when you eat it? So let's try it now. Look at that sauce, y'all. Just look at it. And it comes with the pickles. There's nothing else on it besides the chicken, the pickles, and the sauce. So let's try this. The bun is real wet. I guess from the sauce. But it is spicy. That sauce they got on there is spicy. I'm going to label that one as a 4 as well. Just like the Popeyes. And my nose is already starting to water. I mean, run. My nose can't water. My nose is about to run. Let me take another bite, y'all. Because this one is good. That is definitely a 4. Now, I love me some spicy chicken. Moving on to the next. McDonald's, y'all. Spicy, crispy chicken. McDonald's and Burger King that got into it. McDonald's got their own sauce on theirs as well, and it comes with the pickles, and there is nothing else on this sandwich besides the sauce and the pickles. I'm gonna need something to drink after this video, y'all. Not because it's spicy, but because I'm the type of person that eat and drink at the same time. And I just need something while I'm eating. I got 3 more sandwiches after this one. Alright, let me just bite it. Let's dig into it. Come on, somebody. This McDonald's chicken sandwich is spicier than the Burger King. Man, I don't know if it's, I don't know why, I guess because their spice is with the sauce. I bit into the sauce a lot, but I'll give it a 4, y'all. I'm gonna give this one a 4. They are doing right by the sauce. Zyxby's, Popeyes, and now McDonald's, they're doing good by putting that sauce on it, because so far it's making the sandwiches more spicy. Let's go to the Kentucky Fried Chicken, y'all. Let's see how they put theirs together. I haven't tried this one yet at all. They did it with the sauce, y'all. Look, they got their sauce, they got their pickles, and they got the sauce at the bottom. They are really trying to make these spicy. Let's dig in. This sauce tastes different. Like, it's not necessarily hot, but it's flavorful. The other sauces were mainly spice, but this one has a type of sweet flavor to it. And I have not even bit the pickle yet. But it is spicy. I'm gonna put this one, I'm gonna give this one a 4. So far, we got 4 sandwiches that are rated 4 and 2 sandwiches rated 3. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I'm gonna label this one as a 5 because that is kicking. That is super spicy, y'all. Kentucky Fried Chicken just may have beat all of the other sandwiches that I have tasted. But let's keep moving on. You know I couldn't pick up no chicken sandwich without going to the ChickfilA. Look. Y'all see what it says? It says, may start mouth fires. Let's see how true they are. Let's see if they can put my mouth on fire. And this chicken is red. All the other ones are not red, but this one is red, so it may put my mouth on fire. I don't order the sandwiches when I go to Chick-fil-A. I order the salads. Just because I like that avocado ranch type dressing they have. Let's dig in. Ooh. Mmm. Oh, I'm gonna have to give them a 4. These are a 4. It's spicy, but it ain't as spicy as the Kentucky Fried Chicken. However, it is spicier than the Burger King and the Wendys. But it's pretty good, y'all. It is pretty good. Okay, y'all. So, I looked online and Arbys had a chicken sandwich too. However, when I went through the line, they said they didn't have the chicken sandwich, but they had the buffalo chicken sandwich. So, y'all, let's try Arbys buffalo chicken sandwich. Mine's well. I tried to get the Bojangles chicken sandwich spicy, but they were not accepting cash. And then the other location I went, they were out of them. So, some sandwiches may be missing from other restaurants in this video because I tried and they were either out or something. The line was too big or something. But let's try this one, y'all. Arbys buffalo chicken sandwich. Look at all that lettuce though. Did they have to put all that lettuce on it? Oh well. Lettuce, and it has the buffalo sauce, and it has mayonnaise. This is about to burn my mouth, I feel like. Let's see. I don't even know how to bite it. Let's go this way. This one is messy. Nope, it didn't burn my mouth. Alright, y'all. This one is a 3. Because it ain't even that spicy. But it is saucy. Y'all see my mouth? This thing is saucy. Ooh. So we do have a winner in this video. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Y'all comment below, let me know if y'all try any of these sandwiches. I done did Wendy's. I done did everything that I could get to today. So y'all comment below what y'all think of these sandwiches, so I know for next time. Maybe I'll even have to re-rate them. But that concludes it for today. Y'all like, subscribe for more videos, and let me know what to taste test next. Thank y'all, and bye.